Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to install XAMPP on Windows PC. Uh, XAMPP is a free and open source web server which is developed by Apache Friend. This is a cross-platform web server. Cross-platform means you can run multiple things like Apache HTTP server, main DB database, script language like PHP and Perl language. XAMPP stand for X for the cross-platform Apache MarineDB PHP Perl. So go to browser and search with XAMPP word. It will come on the side on the top. Okay, just click on the download. You can choose the platform. There's having Windows, Linux and OS. It will show the latest version. Click on the download button. Automatically it will be downloaded. Now go to the download path. Now install it. Ignore the warning and go to the next, and you have to select the option which one you needed. Go to the next, and this is very important that you have to select the driver path. Here by default is showing the C drive, so I would like to suggest you to put your install file into D drive or any other drive if you have enough space. Go to the next and select the language. By default is English. Go to the next, and it is starting to install, and wait for a few minutes. Well, it's installed, and you can start the control panel. Yes, is here. So by default you can configure when it will be start automatically this server. Manually you can do it. Okay, it's started. Now we can check it out. Just type localhost and it's coming the server. So if you want, then you can change the configuration file is there. So which one for HTTP, if you want, then you can change all HTTP modules, or you can enable some module from here, php.ini, and this is very important. So you can go through this php.ini, the configuration for PHP you can change from here. So I'm gonna show you one PHP file run from this server. Go to the htdocs, and here just I'm one folder created like sites. Okay, this is index file. Okay, you can create it by PHP Storm, which is very popular, the good ID platform for developing PHP programming. I'm opening this PHP platform. So now I'm creating the new project, this PHP empty project, and after opening you have to select the path like